Hi guys, welcome to Two Stroke Running and Repairs. Today I'm going to just go through what I keep in the way of PPE and maybe go into why I wear them. So we'll start off. I've got either my chainsaw pants, which I wear if I'm going to be doing lots of cutting or at work. And I've got my chainsaw chaps if I'm just going to be doing the occasional little bit of cutting with my saws, or if I'm using them around the house. Then I go into my bag. This is just a tradie tool bag. On top I have my helmet. In there I keep a set of safety glasses and gloves. So this is the steel professional grade helmet. That's my helmet. Then in the bag have my normal gloves. These are actually deer hide, and then they're like stretchy on the back. My normal safety glasses, set of mechanics gloves, and a set of riggers gloves, depending on what I'm doing. Heap of spare safety glasses in there, all clean. Sunscreen, drink bottle, some rags, and then I have my little microfiber face towel, good to clean off your face after you've done. Some more safety glasses. I keep spare earplugs in there in case I don't want to be wearing my helmet. Yeah, and then I've got my little tool belt. So I've got my hatchet. So that's a nice hatchet. It's a cheapo head I actually found in the bush with a smashed handle, and I've just put a new handle on it. And I use this mainly for pounding wedges, but also chopping small stuff off. Then I've just got a couple more of my homemade wedges in there. They work really good and cost me nothing. So yeah, that's what I keep in my PPE bag. I'll probably do a review on some of the bigger items I have in here, and yeah, go from there.